Just walked in and there's so many options. Somebody take my bank card from me because what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Priscilla. I'm a Nigerian women's wear designer based in the UK, and I'm actually off to Walthamstow Market today. I'm going to explore the shop that I saw on Instagram. Apparently they stock ready-made corsets, which is something that if you create corsets, you know, would save you a lot of time. They also have beautiful laces and fabrics, and I was like, why not just take you guys along with me today? So stay tuned and watch this video up until the end, because I'll also be asking any of the attendants I find in the shop some questions that I think you find useful. So I'm going to leave the address and their website link in the video description down below. Hopefully, if you want to check it out in yourself, if you're in London, if you're in the UK, you'll find it just as exciting as I am, because if you know me, you know I love going to the fabric shops. So let's have an amazing time shopping for fabrics today. Just arrived at Walthamstow. I am walking to the shop. It's about 8 minutes walk from Walthamstow station. The Victoria line gets you to Walthamstow Central, and then you walk into the market. It's quite busy. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Quite busy area. I'm just going to walk to the shops now. It's a few weeks later and I've had to come back on a Tuesday morning to be sure that they're actually open. I did send them a DM just to be sure that the shop is actually open, so I'm going to check it out. It is right behind me. I'm just standing on a side street to update you guys, but let's finally go into the shop that supposedly has already made corsets in different colors and different sizes. Ask anyone I find in store any questions I think you guys will find useful, and let's just go. Let's go, guys. It's worth mentioning that they have two shops. You want to go to this one. I can spot the corsets through the window, so let's go check it out. Just walked in and there's so many options. Somebody take my bank card from me because whoa, look at all this fabric as far as the eye can see, all the way to the back. So if you're someone who makes bridal, wedding guest outfit, ashwebi especially, like, see laces now. Oh my goodness. I've never asked how much they cost, but they look rich, they look expensive. And on this side over here, they have all of the corsets lined up, different colors, different sizes. I think that's the part that trips me, is it's not just you have variety of color, different materials, they have different sizes for the corsets. Let me show you guys what I mean. Like, with boning and everything, with the mesh material. There is black, there is cream, there is white for like wedding dresses, and then inbuilt cups in there too. And even if you want the one with like shoulder straps, they have that here. Whoa. Oh my days. Clever thing with this corset design is you already have the base foundation of the dress done. This is a beautiful yellow, have a lovely green, and you have white up there with red, mint. You have the base done. You just need to choose your lace that goes with the base, or even like something that would complement it really well. And it already has cups, guys. It has cups built in there. Like, you guys understand how excited I am. What? So they have the corsets in a variety of sizes. If you look on the inside, you can see the sizes there. You can also ask them in shop. They will give you the size you're looking for. However, they're optimized for dresses. So if the cup is your size, but the body is bigger, that can work, because you can always go in and remove the panel from the back so you remove that overlap. So if you're making it for yourself, that's something you can do. You can also explain it to your tailors that, oh, the cup fits me, but the body is too big. You can just remove the panels from the back, so that way the lacing can work really well and it can give you that snatch that you're looking for. That's just something I wanted to say. Thank you, Ali, for telling me, because that's such a brilliant idea that if the cup fits but the body is too big, we can still make it work, okay?
So our transparent corsets, these are our transparent ones. All the transparent corsets are £30 each. And we also have satin corsets, which are these ones, like these styles. They are £40 each. We also have velvet ones as well, and they are £40 each as well. And then we have these hand beaded corsets, these ones here, and they are £90. One of them takes 5 hours to make. They're hand beaded. We also have these heavy ones, and these heavy ones are £100 each. So in transparent corsets, we have them in 3 different ranges. So that's a closed cup range, that's an open cup range, and we also have a middle cup open range as well. So we have them in 3 different styles.
Walking towards the back, they have even more laces, and then they have a whole section for like bridal laces here on the bottom, like the entire bottom row for the lace when you're walking on your, I think it's on your right. They have all kinds of white laces, bridal laces, different weights, different shades of white and cream. They have sequins, you have beads, you have stone. I need to find the owner of the shop and ask him some questions, because I'm just buzzing. I'm buzzing right now. If you keep walking towards the back, they have other materials outside of lace. Towards the end, on that side, there's a bunch of taffeta, Duchess satin, things that you can use as either lining or combined with the materials that they have in here. This is a perfect shop for gowns, you know, like evening gowns, red carpet gowns, bridal gowns. And they have 2 shops. This Fabric Central Textile, there's this one that has a corset, and then they have another one like 2 or 4 shops down the road where they have more like jacquard material. We would go there after this one, so I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. But how have I not found a shop around my wedding? When I was making my wedding gown, and I've definitely come here to buy some material. So I'm going to look for the founder and ask him some questions I think you guys will actually find useful if you're thinking about coming to the shop, or if you're thinking about ordering online, if that's something they do. But let's go find the man and speak to him. Nice to meet you, Mr. Ali.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you for having me today.
No problem. So our lace corset shop, it's only 13 months old, but we have 2 stores. So our initial store, where we have different variety of materials, it's been there for 10 years. However, this shop is only 13 months. On this shop itself, we stock a different variety of options. So starting from corsets in different shapes and different styles, and we have laces in different laces. We have taffeta in this shop and bridal satin as well. Whereas in our other shop, we have different type of materials, such as like your brocades, your cottons, denims, velvets, variety of other stuff in the other store. So our laces, they start from between £10 to £50 a meter, and our taffetas in this shop is like £5 a meter, bridal satin £4 a meter roughly. However, in our other store the prices change, so such as like your brocades, they start between £6 to £10 a meter, denims from £5 to £7. So they're different prices. Each product has a different price. We have a website. Our website is currently new, so it's a working in process, but we do have a website and we do have social media accounts as well. Yeah, that's one of the main questions we get asked as well. Yes, we shipped worldwide, international, everywhere, so whatever country you can think of, we ship all around.
So if you're looking for, I think this is called horsehair braid. Yeah, I try to remember the name. They have a variety of colors here: orange, black, red. This you would use to add definition to the hemline of, like, you know, proper gowns and dresses. There's lots of whites up there as well, different widths. So there's some that are a little bit slimmer, and then some that are slightly wider. So all of that is stocked in here, in addition to the corsets, the laces, even shapewear accessories, bags. I saw that up in the front. So it's your one-stop shop if you're looking to get all that you need to make that evening gown for yourself or for your clients. I'm going to check out the other shop because it's not too far from here. That one, I went in the last time and it had more like jacquard, brocades, some nice laces, tools. Not as dressy as these ones, but fabrics that you would definitely be using for like your next sewing project. So let's go check that out because a girl is curious. I was just about to leave and I spotted skin tone meshes. Everybody that has been in my comments, in my emails asking me for skin tone meshes, they have that here in different colors as well, and it's the stretchy kind. More colors here for the skin tone mesh. This is nice chocolate brown, there's a lighter nude, there's this brown one here, and all kinds of colors. But I saw this and I knew I had to mention it for anyone who was looking for where to find skin tone mesh. If you wanted to make the illusion neckline, they have it here. Right, off to the other shop. This is the second one. It's the same name, so it's a bit confusing, but this one is 134. That's the number of this shop. Let's check it out. So this shop has lots of fabrics, a lot of brocade, and actually very beautiful patterns. I did not plan to spend money today, but these fabrics are tricking my eye. They have some more nets, sort of like tulle up there. And then I just spotted something really interesting that they have in this shop, and apparently it's trending in Nigeria. They have liquid satin in here in a variety of colors. Apparently this is raining in Nigeria, so my Nigeria folks, you know where to check. There's some more cottons over there, 100% cottons, and then some more fabric even towards the back too. Denim in here as well, different colors, different weights, blues, different shades of blues, blacks, even like some nice reds. And then they have tartan as well, for those of you who are into things like that. At the very back, there are like upholstery, chiffon, faux leather fabrics just in here. Just going to snip around to see what else. Like, somebody take my card from me because I'm about to do damage. They even have faux leather fabrics as well for someone who does bags or you want to make projects using faux leather. I spot some in brown, I spot some blacks, and yeah. This has been such an informative and exciting video to film. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I think I'll do some shopping. Even though I have 2 wardrobes full of fabrics, I think there are definitely 2 fabrics I've seen that have caught my eye that I think I might treat myself to before heading back home. But do leave any further questions you have down below in the comment section. I'll respond what I know, and if the owners of the shop do watch this video, I'm sure they'll get back to you guys in their own way. Check them out on Instagram. I'm going to leave their links to Instagram, their TikTok, and their website. So if you're someone who's outside of the UK but you still want to shop something in here, whether it's a corset or some materials, you know where to find these things. They're in Walthamstow Market along the market, the high street. There are 2, just keep that in mind. The one with the corsets first, then the second shop, but they are not too far from each other, so you can definitely do both shops if you wanted to make a visit for yourself and do a bit of shopping. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Mr. Ali, for being such an amazing guide, showing and explaining everything to me. I left feeling so informed, like on the different shapes of corsets, how you can adjust that to fit your project or that of your clients. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and coming on this journey with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, have a good morning, afternoon, and evening wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in 2025. Bye.